Hello everyone, today in this video I will tell you how to delete Facebook page permanently. First of all, go to your Facebook account. I log in to my Facebook account, then go to menu and select the pages and select which page do you want to delete. I select this one, Nivo. Click on Nivo. This is the page. I want to delete this page. Click on the setting button here. Click on general setting. Scroll down and here you show that there is remove page and permanently delete Nivo. I want to delete this page permanently. Then I click there and they ask me, do you want to delete Nivo page? Yes, I want to delete this page. Then click on delete page. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.